Ben Hardy here, and today we are over at Mark Miller Subaru looking at the all-new 2018 STI. This particular one is pretty fully loaded up, so it's got pretty much all the goodies that you'd want if you were going to get this vehicle. Under the hood of the 2018 STI, we have that 2.5 liter turbocharged flat 4, and that puts out an astounding 305 horsepower and 290 pound-feet of torque, and that is routed through a 6-speed manual that goes to all 4 wheels. In terms of fuel economy numbers, you're going to average 19 combined, 17 around town, and then 22 on the interstate. And if we finish up front, we can see these signature LED headlamps with those nice projector bulbs, and then you get these nice aggressive vents up front to feed more air into that 2.5 liter flat 4. You still get that big aggressive hood scoop, but overall the front end of this looks absolutely fantastic. Of course, we can't go without mentioning these beautiful kind of like gloss gray rims, and they have those nice STI brake calipers that are in that acid green, and I don't know if it's the color's coming through too good on the camera, but it looks absolutely fantastic, especially from a distance. Okay, now popping around back, we have one of the STI's signature looks for this newer body style, and that is this big rear wing, which you don't have to get it, but I mean, if I was getting one of these, I definitely would, because it looks so sweet. And you got this nice carbon fiber trim on the back. You got those quad exhaust outlets, and pop open the trunk, just got to press that and you can bring it right up. You get these nice rubber floor mats, as well as a nice STI cloth mats and this nice rubber mat back here. But space is going to be identical to the WRX, pretty much identical to the Impreza, and so you got quite a bit of trunk space to store things back here. Now coming around to the back, this is probably what impressed me more than anything else when we're going in the interior, is all of this nice Alcantara. It's got beautiful red contrast stitching on it. They do have some leather bolster here that's in that red, so they kind of go on this theme with the nice gray outside, and then they have the nice red and black on the inside. But yeah, this Alcantara really holds you into place. It feels really high quality, and yeah, you just stick to the seats. Plenty of legroom back here, and this is, I have the seat adjusted to where I'd be driving it, but yeah, plenty of legroom back here, and I just absolutely love the Alcantara seats on this. Okay, now popping up front, you still get that keyless entry, and if we look down here, we got those nice seat control adjustments, more of this nice bolstering, and these are really aggressive bolsters, but they're super comfortable fit in. They are Recaro brand seats. You got all your window controls right here, Harman Kardon sound system, and step-in height's really good, and like I said, these seats hold you in place really well. This does have that STI short throw shifter. You got the different drive mode selectors, then you got that diff lock, which is super nice. Controls for the heated seats. We can pop open the glove box. You can see the little USB auxiliary and 12 volt in there. And coming around here, we got this glove box, which has, again, it's actually locked, but they've got plenty of space in there. And then you do get this nice little sunroof up top to let in a little bit more light. But yeah, overall this interior is, I mean, it's super nice. You got soft touch up here, stitching these seats so much. They look incredible and they feel incredible to sit in. Start up the 2018 STI, all you gotta do is push the clutch in, and then you push the push start button, and that 2.5 liter will come to life. You'll get all of your voice command controls over here, controls for cruise control, and you get that center stack. I love how the gauge setup looks. You got your little speedometer over there, your tachometer right over there, and then you got these gauges over here that give you more information. You got your little radio control set up here with the analog climate controls, and the touchscreen is super responsive. I mean, it's easy to navigate. You have your Bluetooth and it's super easy to use. But we can use this drive mode selector. So if we go through the different modes, you notice in the center screen it'll change based on which mode that you want to go into. So you can change, you can see that you got the regular sport, and then you got the sport sharp, and you have the SI drive, and then the intelligent drive. And then you do have this for the, if you want that to have the diff locked, and obviously you can go through all that and customize it, but I love how customizable this is, even though it is a manual transmission. And then if you pop the STI in reverse, which you can see, it's over and down, and it shows on the shift indicator. That backup camera will pop up with those little trajectory lines to make parking this a lot easier. So here we are setting off in the 2018 STI, and I'll be completely honest, I have never driven one of these. I've only driven the WRX, so this will be my first time driving one of these. I'm keeping it in the intelligent mode right now, letting it do everything for me. Yeah, this thing sounds so crazy. And it's so crazy seeing that big rear wing out the back window. It actually doesn't block your visibility all that much. It's actually high enough up that you can still see out of the rear window pretty well, surprisingly. Yeah, the exhaust note on this sounds, again, these Subaru and their flat fours, they hit a good spot with how they sound. Just like the WRX, I mean, this thing, it's so beautiful how easy it is to rev match. And it's so smooth with the gears. The short throw shifter, because you can just get and just row through all of the gears so easily. It's such an easy shifter to use, and I love this. And I know that they offer this on the WRX as well, so if you were to get a WRX, I'd recommend going for this option. Noticing that, yeah, with the short throw shifter, it's a lot easier to, like I said, it's a lot easier to do the gears. It makes this car actually a lot more drivable, and I'm surprised how smooth this rides. I always heard that the STIs, you know, since they are the sportier variants, they ride a lot rougher, but I mean, this by no means rides rough at all. I mean, it's super easy to drive, and it's not jarring me around or anything like that. I absolutely love it. And this car, I mean, I'm still letting the engine warm up a little bit. I haven't gotten hard on the accelerator, but this car feels, I mean, just being in it, it feels fast. Even when you're not going fast, this car feels decently quick. It's crazy. And that symmetrical all-wheel drive system gives you so much confidence. It's just, I mean, it makes driving this so easy. About brakes, these brakes are phenomenal. I mean, I'm feeling them they have so much good brake feel. The steering has so much feel to it, actually. I believe in the WRX they have that electronic setup, and here they have the hydraulic setup. So the steering feel on this feels a lot more natural, and you get a lot more through the road, and that brake feels a lot better. And so this car overall is a lot more fun to drive. I mean, it makes sense. It's the STI. It's meant to be the sportier one. It's meant to be the more hardcore one, and it is. Another cool touch on these is I love these red seat belts. I kind of love the whole idea of this car that has the nice silver exterior and the red and the black. I think it just looks cool. But we are about to get on the interstate right here, just get a little bit of an acceleration. I am creeping quite a bit behind the rest of the traffic right now, because I kind of imagine this is going to be quite a bit faster than a lot of the other cars that are driving in traffic right now. So I'm going to give myself a bit of space so we can get a proper acceleration with the 2018 STI. Oh, it's so incredible. I mean, once you really get into those turbos, I mean, this car is so fast. I mean, it really is. And again, 305 horsepower doesn't sound like a lot, but this car is so light, and it's nimble, and that all-wheel drive system is fantastic. This car's, it's so much fun. It's actually like, I'm driving in a straight line. I'm not even going around corners, but it's so much fun. I can imagine taking this out on a back road or on a racetrack and just having an absolute riot with it. This shifter, I give Subaru so much praise for this shifter. It's so, it feels so good in your hands, and it makes rev matching so easy. This engine is just, I give 2 thumbs up to this one in terms of the sports car for sure. I'm gonna say overall impression wise on the 2018 STIs, I absolutely think this still holds its own in the kind of sports hatchback, sports sedan market, against like the Civic Type R and the Ford Focus RS. This car, it's still such a riot to drive, and I think that there's a reason why they haven't changed a ton with this car since they released this engine. I think it was, I might be wrong, but back in like 2003, and it's because if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? I mean, they did such a good job with this car that there really isn't any reason to change it all that much. And so, yeah, I mean, if you're in the market for a sportier car that has that nice all-wheel drive that is going to do really good in inclement weather, and I mean, it's just going to be an absolute riot to drive. You can drive on the track. I would definitely check one of these out. The STIs, they're still, I mean, even over 10 years later, these things are still so amazing. There we have it, everyone, the all-new 2018 Subaru STI. And again, a big shout out and thank you to Mark Miller Subaru for providing us with this vehicle today. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're stopping in for the first time. Leave a like if you liked the video. Comment down below what you thought, and I will see all of you in that next video.